Hey traders, Sean here. Welcome back to VOLPROFIT. Today we're diving into the question that keeps traders awake at 3 a.m., staring at their charts like zombies. Is this thing going up, down, or sideways? And no, we're not gonna use Grandma's astrology to figure it out. We're gonna use 4 legendary styles: SMC, Dow Theory, Elliott Waves, and moving averages. By the end, you'll know how to sniff out the trend like a bloodhound, instead of guessing like a drunk poker player. Let's start old school. Dow Theory. This guy is like the grandfather of technical analysis. Dow says, an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows, a downtrend is lower highs and lower lows. Simple, right? Like kindergarten shapes. So if the chart keeps climbing stairs, uptrend. If it keeps falling down the stairs, downtrend. And if it's going sideways, well, that's your signal to go make coffee. But remember, the trend isn't broken until the structure breaks. So if your chart is making higher highs, don't scream reversal just because one red candle appeared. That's like saying winter has started because you saw one cloud. This looks like my heartbeat after too much Red Bull. Now let's go advanced. SMC. Here, it's all about BOS, break of structure, liquidity grabs, and order flow. The trend is confirmed when the big boys, the banks and institutions, show their hand by breaking major structure. So if you see a BOS to the upside, trend is bullish. If BOS to the downside, bearish. And here's the funny part. SMC teaches us that the market loves to lie. Price will hunt retail traders, stop losses, grab liquidity, and then reveal the real trend. So the job is, don't act like the retail herd, be the sneaky hunter. Don't scream trend reversal until the market actually breaks structure and proves it. See? Market just robbed these traders' stop losses like a pickpocket in Times Square. Now the artsy-fartsy method, Elliott Waves. This strategy says trends move in 5 waves. Waves 1, 3, 5, impulse waves, the big moves. Waves 2 and 4, corrections, the let's take a break moments. So if you're seeing a clean 5-wave structure, that's your trend. The funny part? Every Elliott trader argues about which wave we're on. 2 people look at the same chart and one says wave 3, while the other says nope, it's wave 5. Meanwhile, the market just goes sideways laughing at both. But hey, when done right, Elliott helps you spot trend continuations and where corrections might end. Just don't overcomplicate it. Remember, not every zigzag is a new wave. Sometimes it's just noise. This chart has more waves than the beach in Miami. Finally, let's keep it simple. Moving averages. The classic rule: if price is above the MA, uptrend. If below, downtrend. If it's stuck in the MA like spaghetti sauce, sideways, go grab pizza. Bonus trick: use 2 moving averages like the 50 and 200. When the short one crosses above the long one, that's a golden cross, bullish. When it goes below, that's a dead cross, bearish. Sounds dramatic, right? Golden cross, dead cross. Traders love giving names that sound like a Netflix show. So 4 ways to sniff out a trend. 1. Dow Theory, higher highs, lows. 2. SMC to BOS and liquidity games. 3. Elliott Waves, the 5-wave rhythm. 4. Moving averages, clean above below levels. Pick your style, mix them, or use them all. Just don't be that trader who says, I knew the trend, after losing 5 trades. This is Sean from VOLPROFIT, reminding you, don't chase the market, hunt it. Smash that like button, share your funniest wrong trend call story in the comments, and subscribe for more sneaky hunter strategies. See you in the next hunt.